My name is Max Roan. I was a hospital corpsman, 3rd class in the U.S. Navy. Served with the Marines on a police transition team. Served in Iraq in 2009 from January until May. We were in a convoy, got hit by a grenade while being in a Humvee. So did one deployment during my military service and then spent the rest of the time at the hospital. Decided to amputate my leg. It was rough during that time. It took me about 6 months to get off all the drugs, but when that happened and I got my first prosthetic leg, everything kind of just turned around. You have to open yourself up and be just as vulnerable in order to pull yourself out. And I could have gone the other way and I could have closed down, but I chose to move on and that we're going to work together to fix the situation. I always knew I wanted a service animal. I just didn't know if I was ready. It is a lot of responsibility. I know everyone thinks about it as like you get your service animal and then all your problems are solved. And that's not exactly how it goes. Asking for help is really hard. Accepting the help is equally as hard. You do have to change your life for this animal. And that's the whole point, is that it gives you something else to live for. I think all the other organizations are great. I think America's Vet Dogs and Guide Dog Foundation is the best. I'm biased because they've been there with me from the beginning at Walter Reed. And they really just kind of put the benchmark really, really high that I would evaluate all the other programs with.